Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your gift card to the Target app. Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target on the bottom right hand corner. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down, and then you're going to be able to see gift cards, add and access gift cards. So next, click on Add Gift Card, and then this is where you can either add the card number of the Target gift card or scan it and it'll automatically be applied. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a Target gift card to the Target app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.